I okay, Ngi. I will send to you the screen. Okay, Ngi. How are you?
Teacher, no talk with me. You have class with you at 3 p.m.
No. I told no that's supposed to be our class is 10 a.m. But no, but I was not able to come home early. So supposed to be we'll have class at 2 p.m. Left 10 and 3 p.m. But I told no that we had class already. So I don't know what time we're gonna have to have class with no. Okay?
Teacher, you told me we will have free talking today.
Okay, you're free talking. What do you want to talk about? Or you tell me.
No.
What do you want be our topic? You tell me our topic. What is our topic? What do you like?
No.
Mm.
Your. No, it's your.
Food or wait, ha?
Teacher, wait, please, teacher.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Lucid. You'll be lonely. Wala na sila klase ni. Wait lang. Wala naman sila klase. Sama classes. Kani? Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, Ngi?
Yeah.
Wait ha. I see I download the topic. No, do you like Ngi, do you like to eat pizza?
What?
Do you like to eat pizza?
Yes. I ate pizza this morning. I ate pizza this morning.
What pizza?
Cheese pizza and beef pizza.
Wow. You belong to me. You belong to me. Okay, so day 19. Okay, let us talk about shopping. Do you like to shop?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you like to shop?
About clothes.
Okay, clothes. Okay, look at this one. Okay, so we have here some, okay, of course, when we go shopping, we have to remember words like wallet. Or do you have money in the wallet when you go shopping?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, refund. Okay, so you have refund. Do you know the word refund?
Yeah.
Okay, receipt. Do you have receipt?
I don't know.
Where? Price. You have the price.
Yeah.
Stock. In stock. Credit card.
Mm-hmm.
Cash. And cashier. So you have this different. So you have this different activity. Next one. We have the word trolley. Do you know trolley?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you go shop, you need to have the trolley. You have to push it. Discount.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shop
It
window.
had, it had a Vietnamese mean.
Oh, here. Shop assistant.
Mm-hmm.
Manager. Fitting room. Sale. You have the sale.
Yeah, sale.
Yeah, special offer.
Mm-hmm.
Customer.
Customer.
Hmm. Okay, this one we have bunch. Okay, bunch. Do you know this? Sheet.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, we have. Okay. Can, battle, bag, gram, kilogram.
Kilogram.
Okay, kilogram, liter, 1 liter.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. This one. Ah. Okay, grammar. Let us up here. If you
Teacher.
were gonna ask the
Teacher.
price, oh yeah,
Teacher, does New have free talking?
yeah.
When
I
I
asked her.
when I
I asked her to have free
yes
talking.
when I at her house, I sit next to her and I and I heard you talk with new talk with you
Yeah.
about free talking.
And I said, no, we'll have free talking. Yeah. I asked her and she said yes.
Mhm.
Okay, let us listen this one. Okay, we're talking here about,
Hey, I wanted to buy oats. Can you help me out?
Sure, sir. Which brand are you looking for?
I'm looking for Kellogg's. On which counter will I find it?
It's counter 3. It's at the back near the dairy section.
Thanks. Will I find the other brands on the same counter?
Yes, we have all the major brands displayed there.
Okay. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Hi. I got some stuff and now I'm wondering, do you take credit cards?
Yes, sir, we do.
Do you accept cards from all banks?
Yes, sir, any American bank would do.
I have a Citibank credit card.
That would be fine, sir. Can I have your card to swipe?
Sure. Here it is. I have a loyalty card from here. Will that grant me any discount?
Yes, sir. It will get you 5% off the total purchase.
Can I club it with another discount card?
No, sir. I'm sorry. That's not allowed.
Okay. That's not a problem. Is it going to get me loyalty points too?
Yes, sir. Every time you pay with it, you get some points which you can redeem later on.
That's great. Thanks for the information. I didn't know that. Hi, I wanted to buy some canned tomatoes, but I see none displayed. Do you have more in stock?
I'm not sure, sir. Which brand do you prefer?
I don't have a favorite one. Any of them will do, as long as it's not too expensive.
Actually, all the brands are almost in the same price range. I'm sure we have some brands in stock. Let me check.
Will it take long?
Not at all, sir. Yes, we have some. In aisle 3. Look at the third row from left.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so what they're talking about? They're talking about asking for the price, right? They're asking for the
Yes.
price. Okay, so maybe this man, okay, wants to go to shop, okay, and she's asking a price. Okay, customer, it's about oats. Do you know what is oat? Like the one you eat? Can you help me? Which brand are you looking for? I'm looking for Kellogg's. I don't know if you know Kellogg's. It's a brand of the oats. Okay? We have here the test. Okay. So here, how important are
So
these
what
things?
topics will we talk today?
Okay, we're talking anything. Okay, let us finish this. Okay, we're talking about shopping and anything.
Mhm.
Okay. Oh, you want to talk? Okay. Look at this one. What can you say about the people? They're in the shop?
In the shop, they picture A.
Mm-hmm.
No, picture A. I think a woman.
The woman
Like
is?
a woman has a sit next to her, and the boy is sit
Mm-hmm. The boy is?
at the sofa.
Okay. So how about the second picture?
Second picture is I think the boy is asked how much the shoes is the shoe are the shoe.
Mm-hmm. Third?
Mm, I think third the boy is have the is have someone bring like a fridge.
Okay. And the fourth one, look at the fourth one. Just like he's watching.
Mm, he's washing the bike.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And letter A.
Mm, the there has two women. The woman is um mm, looking like it's by the t-shirt.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And the last one. Just like the man is.
The man is asked how much is the tie.
Okay. So it's just like a scarf. He
Yeah.
is trying to look at the scarf. Okay, this one. Now, how often do you go to the shopping mall? How often do you go to the shopping mall?
Mm, I think once a month.
How often do you go to the shopping mall?
I think once often. I often go to the shopping mall one of the month.
Okay, once a month. Okay. Okay. Who does most of the shopping in your house? Who does
My
most
my mom,
shopping in the house? Your?
yes, my mom.
Okay, what does your mom buy?
She buy food.
She buy food. Okay.
Teacher, wait me please.
Okay, okay.
Open it.
Okay. Do you usually buy things online?
No, really.
You don't like to buy things online?
Yeah.
Okay, why? Why you don't like to buy things online?
I think when we buy shopping online, should we buy t-shirt or jeans, and 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 when we try the t-shirt, I think is not um like does not fit the size, and I don't like that.
Okay. Yeah. So nowadays, mostly everything is online, right?
Mhm.
Mostly nowadays, everything is online. You can see it's online.
Yeah.
Now, what type of shop do teenagers like you the most in your country? Okay, so like
I
you,
think
you're
the
not yet
clothes,
teenagers.
maybe the clothes shop.
What is it?
Clothes shop.
The clothes shop. Okay, what is your favorite clothes shop?
Mm,
Your favorite clothes shop?
the name I think it's like for kids.
Okay, like for kids. Okay, is your dad who will going to buy you always? Your
Mhm.
father? Your father will always buy you food?
Mm.
Always.
He
Mm.
sometimes buy food or clothes for me.
Wow. So you're loved by your dad. Your dad
Uh,
loves you.
she very love me.
She loves you a lot. Okay. Now, so make a conversation between a customer and the shop assistant. You tell me, what do you think this picture tells you? Picture number one. Can you tell me what the
The
girl
number one is
wants to tell?
I think the girl is the customer is asked about. No, the girl is um I think the girl is where uh like the girl is where yellow dress is a sales is a sales agent
Sales
and
agent or sales assistant?
as an assistant
Mm.
mm, and ask the customer about clothes or maybe another one.
Okay, there's a clothes here. Maybe we don't know what's perfume, bags, or etc. Okay. So here, and how about this one? Picture number 2.
Number 2 is the. I don't think that is a shop, teacher.
Mm.
I think it's a house.
The house or maybe a coffee shop?
Mm.
Is it a coffee shop or what?
I don't think that the house of the coffee shop.
Okay, do you think it's a coffee shop or somewhat what?
No, I
shop.
don't think. I think it's a house. It's a
The house?
normal house.
But where's this girl? It's just like the girl is wearing apron.
Mm. I think the girl is like a student.
Mm-hmm. Like a student? Are you sure she is a student?
Yeah. Or maybe she is mm, a teacher like that.
Ah, okay. A teacher. Okay. Okay.
Hey.
Let us talk now. Anything? Okay. You tell me what will be our topic? What do you want to talk about?
Um.
Today is Mother's Day. Do you know it's Mother's
Ah,
Day?
yes, I know, I know, I know.
In your country, it's Mother's Day too?
Yes. And it's also the Nurse Day.
Nurse Day. Today?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
How did you know it's Nurse Day?
My father told me,
And then, your mom is nurse or no?
no, he's
He is?
um she's like um um like mm, she's work like accountant.
Accountant. Okay, and your dad works in the hospital, right?
Hmm?
Your dad works in the hospital.
Yeah.
Where are you right now? Who is with you?
My dad
Your
and
dad is
my mom.
okay, because today is Sunday. Oh, you will not go outside, you will not eat?
No.
Because today is Mother's Day.
Yeah.
That you will not
And next Thursday it will be a anniversary of my parents.
anniversary. It's anniversary.
Mhm.
Okay, wait me, ha. Just wait me. It's anniversary. Hi. Okay, it's anniversary of your mom and dad. Okay, so in my country today, it's Mother's Day. So most people going outside, okay, and they will gonna have dinner or whatever because today is Mother's Day. But of course, it's not really a regular holiday in my country. I don't know in your country. Is it regular holiday? Shh, tayo, tanaw, tayo, no? Is it holiday in your country today? I know. Not holiday?
Yeah.
It's not holiday in your country today?
No, it's not. It's a normal day.
It's a normal day. How about anniversary of your mom and dad? Where will you go?
Next Thursday.
Yeah, this coming Thursday.
Hmm?
This coming Thursday?
Yeah.
Where will
Next
you go?
Thursday.
Where will you go?
No, I don't know.
You will go outside?
I don't know, teacher.
Okay.
It depends of my parents.
Mhm. Where's Kian now?
Mm, he about my brother.
Yeah, where is he?
Mm, he is at school.
He is at school?
Yeah.
You have school, but today is Sunday.
Yeah, it's Sunday. No, like um um like like he 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 took the yearbook photo.
What is that?
Like like it's like when he finished his school, he will go to Saigon and he wants at Da Nang, and so he goes to school to took the like took a photo with his friend to like to have the I think to have the
You write in the chat.
uh yes no yeah it's like anniversary
Anniversary in the school? I
yeah
like this. Wait. Tuan?
mm-hmm.
The founding anniversary? Okay. So you will go there. So you will go there.
And soon I will took the photo with my friends because
Okay.
because this this May we finish our grade 5 and we will in our secondary school and I want to see my friends.
Mm.
So we have to like take photos.
By the way, the last night you had party. Where did you go?
Mm, I got to my friend my birthday my friend birthday.
Is it far?
Yeah.
Like, how far is it from your house?
I don't know, but I think it's very far. Like 30 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So did Nu go there or Messi?
No, not.
It's another friend. It's
Yeah.
another friend, not a classmate.
Mm-hmm.
You eat. What did you eat? Me.
Bento.
Bento. What's that?
It's like this.
Biscuit.
It's very spicy.
It's very spicy and you like it.
I have to drink milk.
You have to drink milk. Well, very spicy. You love spicy. Vietnamese really love spicy.
Mhm.
I know. You love spicy?
When I was a kid, I can eat the spicy food. But when I
You love
young,
spicy?
When I was a kid, I can eat spicy food, but
And
now I can't eat that.
now,
That I can't eat the spicy food.
wow, that's good for you.
No, it's very spicy.
Very spicy. It's very spicy.
I have to drink a water with me, please.
Okay. Let me see button.
Very spicy, very hot.
Very hot. You like it?
Mhm.
Is it crispy or no?
Huh?
Crispy. Let me, no, huh? Okay.
Mhm.
Me, your brother has a boyfriend or no? A girlfriend? No.
Mhm.
Is your brother has a boyfriend? I know, girlfriend or no?
No,
He doesn't have. He doesn't have yet. How old
No.
is your brother?
my 18.
Hmm. He doesn't have boyfriend, girlfriend. He doesn't have.
My mom doesn't let him
Oh, why?
because when he have enough money,
Hmm.
when he have
Has he has when
yeah,
he has.
when he has enough money, when he has um carry, he can marry, and
Huh? Again. When he has enough
when
money.
he has enough money, and when he has carry, he can marry a
Yes, scary. What is
girl.
scary?
Huh?
When he has enough money and
When he have enough money and when he have carry
what is scary?
and carry in the chat box.
Career.
Career.
Yeah,
And
career.
when he
I thought
carry
it's scary. Career. So,
and he can marry a girl, and the girl is my
my
and
sister.
that girl is my sister-in-law.
His sister-in-law. Okay. In the Philippines, uh, even though, you know what? Even though it's 14, you can have a girlfriend.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah. It's so like it's not they are not adults. They can. Oh my god.
Why are you laughing? Yeah,
Strange. It's so strange.
strange. In my country, yes. In my country, girl,
No,
14,
no
14
way.
years, 14 years old, they can have girlfriend.
Why? It's so like
Like a strange.
yeah, it's so strange. And it's like not it's not an adult.
That's an adult.
Yes. In Vietnam we have to 18 80
Ah.
more. But
No.
in your country, it's very strange, teacher.
Yeah. Oh, you believe me. Wait lang. Very strange teacher. Come on.
Strange.
Tama na ito muna. Angay naman eh. Strange teacher. Yeah, in my country, it's real.
No way.
When you will be 18, when you will be 14, 15, other girls has a girlfriend already.
Oh, does Julian have a boyfriend?
No. Jillian cannot
How
have,
old is she? How old is she?
she doesn't have any. She can have a girlfriend if she will finish study, got a career, or become a
How old is
doctor.
she? How old is she?
How old is she? She is 13.
13. Oh, 1 year more.
1 year more. No. Jillian's cousin has already a boyfriend. Yeah, it's common here, boy, girl. You can have a girlfriend or a boyfriend. I cannot hear you. 1 year more. Oh, unmute. I cannot hear you. Why it rains? How about Tono? Does Tono has a boyfriend?
No, she just has crush.
How old is Tono?
Nana is same years with me.
Okay.
11.
Oh, in my country, 14. You can have a girl. You can have a boyfriend. If you will be 14, you can have boyfriend.
Teacher. If Julian have a boyfriend, you agree with her? Do you agree with her?
Like how old?
14.
No,
If Julian have a girlfriend.
no.
Why?
I will put Jillian in the sack.
No, you told 14 years old can have boyfriend or girlfriend.
Yeah, it depends on the parent. If the parents allow you to have
And
boyfriend, but if not, but
oh,
but most of the girls here, they can have boyfriend or they can have girlfriend as early as 14.
oh
You like it?
no.
Hmm?
No, it's so like a kid. It's so kid.
It's a
And
kid.
yeah, and we not an adult, so we can marry or we can have a boyfriend or girlfriend.
Wait, Mingy, I will charge my laptop first, okay?
Uh-huh.
Hmm. Okay. Quiero storya. I love talking. You love to talk, ni? Okay. Ni, in your country, in Vietnam, what do you call the people who keep on talking a lot? Like, they keep on talking on the street, and the neighbor, or what do you call that?
What?
In your country,
Mm-hmm.
what do you call the people, girl, mostly women, okay,
Mm-hmm.
mostly women who talk to the neighbors or talk to what they call it one to other
And
people.
and what did the Americans say?
Americans say, well, no. Like I don't know how to explain. In my country, we call it wait, Marites.
What did it? How do it mean? How do it mean?
Like
How do it mean? How do it mean?
you say That.
They talk in the street, talk to neighbors, whatever the latest. Wait me, please.
What do you call that one in your country? In my country, that's Marites. How about in your country?
Everything. Mm. Ah, ah.
Okay, what? How do you call that? What is the Vietnamese term for that?
Lettuce. It's like
It is
it's like that.
Tom. Okay, it's Tom.
Yeah, it's like talkative.
Talkative. Tom. Oh, Tom. He Tom.
Oh, teacher, wait me, please. Teacher, wait me, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, where are you right now? Wait me, I will charge my laptop.
Vì gì đầu vô xe tải tới khó quá.
Yeah, I will drink water for a while. Okay, ni.
E.
Miếng đặt để bóc thành bài vậy.
Okay, so what else ni? Okay. Oh, you transfer? Why? Why did you move?
Because my dad
Visitor.
has a neighbor, like a friend's living room, as a living room.
Okay, they are talking. Okay, look, you continue. Yeah, that's yeah, the what? Sorry, ni ha. Yeah, the one I told you, ni, yeah, it's true in my country. It's different in my country, ni.
It's so strange.
Strange. Okay, that's why many kids here and kids, teenager like 14 got pregnant because of that. Okay. So what else do you want to talk about? Okay, more. You talk about more. Mhm. We have dogs all over me.
Mhm.
You know this, me? We have like this. This one. Do you know this food?
It's like a cupcake.
Cake. In your country, what do you call this one? It's not a cupcake. Look at that. Nice.
A rice
Rice cake.
cake.
Okay, what do you call this in Vietnam?
Bánh cơm.
Huh?
Bánh cơm.
Mein cơm.
I will write in the chat box.
Okay, okay.
Kung dali mo,
They-
may mang true.
Mein cơm.
May main cook. It's in the one, the main cook. Until mang cơm. Tama. Saan mo yun? Tama.
Mhm. Ban cơm ăn, ban cơm. Ban cơm.
Cơm is rice.
Cơm.
Bánh is cake.
Rice. Cake rice. Ban cơm. Ban cơm. Ban cơm,
Ban-
right? Ban cơm.
Mhm.
It is ban cơm. Yeah, it's ban cơm.
Bánh cơm.
Yeah, ban cơm. Okay, it's rice cake. Ban cơm is rice cake.
Mhm.
Mm. But in Vietnam, it's as big as that. Like that? As big as that also?
Yeah, it's like that. Oh, wait, me, please.
Okay. What is it? Mm. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's rice cake. Okay. So,
Take the room. I take the room.
oh, it's another room again. You transfer to another room again. Why?
Because my brother is in the kitchen.
Are your brothers in the kitchen? Okay. Your brother, I once talked to your dad. You know that to your brother. You know that?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I talked to your dad once. Okay. So me, on Tuesday. Oh, wait, no. On Friday, I will see you again. Okay, Friday. Wait, what time? Friday is 17, right? 17. And Friday, that's 17. Okay, Songi, thank you for today. We talk different things.
Mm,
Okay, thank you so much.
yeah.